The completed Town Hall project is on the CD in the Sample Files folder. Go ahead and copy it to your hard drive if you haven't done so already, and open it up. I'd like to show you how to navigate through the project. You can use the project browser to open up different views. Just double-click on a view name to open it. We'll be learning how to create everything you see here in the course of this CD-ROM. There are sheets that can be printed out also. Let's go back up to level 1 existing, and I'd like to tell you about how to navigate within a view. First of all, there are scroll bars on the bottom and side of the screen, and you can use those to scroll through the drawing. A more intuitive way is to push down the wheel of your mouse and drag. You can also use Dynamically Modify View here, and you can scroll or zoom. But while this dialog is open, you do your work with the left mouse button instead of the wheel. So I'll drag the left mouse button to scroll, or switch into zoom mode, and then drag the mouse towards you to zoom in, and push it away from you to zoom out. This will take some getting used to. When you close the dialog, then you have to use the middle button instead. So I can drag the middle button to scroll, but I have to hold down the Control key in order to zoom. And I do that by pushing down on the wheel and holding the Control key. You can also use the magnifying lens tool here to zoom into a window. If you click on the arrow next to that, you can use some of these other tools, like Zoom Out 2x, or Zoom to Fit. Zoom All to Fit zooms all of the views to fit at once. You can also use Previous Scroll and Zoom, or Next Scroll and Zoom, to go back and forth. Let's go to one of the 3D views. I'll open up the Isometric 1 view. Let's now open up the F8 key, or just click on this button to open up the dialog. Now we have all 3 tools available to us: scroll, zoom, and spin. So remember, while this dialog is open, you use the left mouse button. I can scroll, I can click on the zoom button and drag towards me to zoom in, or I can click on spin and I can spin the model. When this dialog is closed, you have to use the middle button on the mouse. Press down the wheel to scroll, hold down Control and drag the wheel to zoom, and hold down Shift and drag the wheel to spin. This will definitely take you some time to practice. But make sure that you're comfortable with navigating before you proceed with the CD.